Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So it is 8:40 right now. We're about to have a little breakfast lunchable snack and just get our day planned out. I am off today and the kids are at school for one of the last days before summer hits. We are very much ready for summer, but I'm gonna try and make the most of our day, get some bills paid, some things taken care of, and we have some guys coming to trim back some trees on the edge of the property. So we might have some noise from that, but we're gonna figure out what's for dinner because I don't know yet, and we'll just get it going. So let's get started. All right, y'all, so we're gonna throw together dinner really quick because it is already almost 5 o'clock. So we're gonna make some chicken noodle casserole, and I'm just gonna get some water boiling, and then we'll get the rest of our ingredients all prepped in. While our noodles or our water starts to boil, we're gonna go ahead and mix in the filling. That way, once the noodles are done, which these are egg noodles, so they only take about 5-6 minutes for what we need. So down in our bowl, we're gonna add a can of cream of chicken, or if you're like me and you prefer cream of mushroom, use cream of mushroom. I almost always gravitate towards cream of mushroom. Next, we're gonna add in about a cup of sour cream. This does not have to be perfect by any means, but about half of this container. Next up, we need about 2 whole chicken breasts worth of cooked chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, canned chicken, or even just cook up some chicken, or even leftover chicken, and use that. But you want it to be, I guess I would say about 2 cups worth. I'm just using some chicken that I've canned up already, and I'm gonna have a little bit more than 2 cups worth. And I just drained mine off, and I'm saving that chicken broth. We'll set this to the side so I can put it in the fridge for later. We're gonna add in 1 pound bag of mixed vegetables. I could only find the 12-ounce bag, so we're gonna go with it. But you could add in more if you like. We definitely would prefer more veggies. However, this is what I had in my freezer, and I couldn't find any of the larger bags. And this is with corn, green beans, peas, carrots, all of it. So what you would put into like a chicken pot pie also. I'm gonna mix this around, break up some of those large chunks of chicken. Now we're gonna add in our seasoning. So you want about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And probably more like 2 teaspoons. Again, we're gonna mix this all around. And this is one of those instances where we can use some of that chicken broth. So I'm going to use about a cup just to moisten this. And that is all ready. We're going to set it to the side, get our pan out and spray it, and check our boiling water. So our water's just about boiling. Sissy's going to come and make our rolls for us to have. Let me spray the pan for you, babe. So we're just doing some crescent rolls. We'll add a little bit of garlic powder to our melted butter. So we've got our oven preheated to 350. Gonna spray our casserole dish. going to pour about 2.5 cups of egg noodles into our boiling water and let them cook for a few minutes. So I'm going to clean up while Sister makes her crescent rolls, and then we'll finish building this off. These are going to go in the oven just at the package directions, and as soon as our noodles are done, we'll pop those in the oven as well. Alright y'all, once we have our noodles all in there, we're just mixing around really well. Oh, it smells so good already. I think I'm starving. And we're just going to pour it down into our pan. So we're just going to drizzle on some more of this garlic butter. We'll sprinkle the top with cheese. And then just some onion strings. Now this part you can leave off if you don't like them. They just give it a little crunch factor that we like. What'd you get? Come show me. What'd you get? Yay! High five. Alright y'all, so this is going to go in the oven for about 20-30 minutes until it's nice and bubbly hot. And just like that, our chicken noodle casserole is all done. So we're going to serve it up. Now this was in the oven for probably about 25 minutes. Very creamy. You can see it's still piping hot. So we could use a little bit more salt. So I'm actually going to add in some of our seasoned salt. So if y'all know me, y'all know I love my Lowry's. And that's what this is. We just put it in the little thing on the stove top so it's easy to reach instead of that large container. Let's give it a taste. You ready for dinner? That was a perfect little touch. So we're going to have our crescent rolls, our chicken noodle casserole, and we will be set for dinner tonight. Hope y'all give it a try, and we will see y'all next time. Bye.